So, here we are, out in the bush, salt bush that is, nothing around except desert, and we're working the job. Out here in the wild, wild west in the goldfields, pretty spectacular. Yes. Anyway, kind of fun. As you can see, there's not a lot out here. Red dirt and big trucks. That's all you get. So anyway, thought I'd just show you around the place and have a look. Love the flies. Bit of protein every now and then. Hope you enjoy it, eh? So that behind me is the old Big Bell pub back in the 1800s. It's a bit hard to get out here in the daytime to go and have a look at it, but it's pretty cool. I wouldn't go in there because it looks like it's going to fall down, but she's not a bad little old hotel. Apparently there's another one down in Perth that's identical to it. Those lights are really bright. Anyway, yeah, just thought I'd show you that, especially in the middle of the night when it's really cool, spooky. Just driving along, heard a bit of a noise, and thought I'd better check up here on the ROM, dropping off some stuff. They're all busy at it, but I got this. She broke, so I'll have a little bit of a break, get a tyre here and get it fixed. That's life. Well, I hope you can see me. It's a bit dark, it's night time. Before I go, it's only a quick little video, but you see these big stack of rocks here. Well, they say that there's gold in them there hills, so that's what I'm carting. I've been looking, haven't found nothing. Must be in there. No big nuggets, no nothing, but anyway. The mine site I'm standing on, this very ground down here, 600 metres. Another line goes down 800 metres. It's a fair way down, but that's the stuff they're pulling out. Goes to a big mill, gets sorted out. Ta-da! Anyway, I'll leave you with that. It was only a short video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. There'll be more dog videos coming out when I get home, which is another week. So, yeah, have fun, be safe, see you soon.